This is August 10th, 2013. I'm Dr. Michael Casaro, and we just finished today's edition of the Painless Living Show. The topic today was arm pain. We talked about several things: the pain that's up under the shoulder blades, that shoulder blade pain. We talked about pain on the top of the shoulder. We talked about arm pain, including things in the hand, carpal tunnel pain, how you get carpal tunnel syndrome, and what the things are that you can do to help prevent carpal tunnel syndrome, even if you're in a job that puts you at high risk for carpal tunnel syndrome. So please listen to the show, enjoy our callers and what they learn from their experience. And we hope you listen live every week to the Painless Living Show from 11 to noon on Saturdays. That's Eastern Time. Listen live and listen to the recordings so you can lead a pain-free life.